Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and today we are going to learn how to make a DIY stepper box. So, to make this stepper box, you will be requiring these materials. First, to make our DIY stepper box, we need to take our A3 paper. You can also take a A4 paper, but from a A4 paper, our stepper box will be made a little bit small. So this is the sample. So our A3 paper, the size will be like this from a A3 paper. So for making this, first we will have to make it into three equal parts. So for making this, you can first do it like this, curve it and fold it, or else you can take a scale and measure it and then mark the three parts and then fold it. But now to do it like this would be much more easier. So first we'll fold it over here and then we'll fold it from here. Now we'll open this. As you can see, I have only taken a rough marks. So now we will fold it properly. So guys, now I have folded it into three equal parts. Now we'll turn our page like this, and now we'll take this bottom part, and as you can see, this line which we made using our cuts, we will fold it till there. Now after folding it till here, we'll once again rotate it and do the same with this side. Now we will open this and now we will fold it from the middle. After folding it from the middle, we will take these parts, the very first of our folds, and fold it. Now we'll take this apart and now we will fold it till over here, and now we will make a small triangle using this. Now we will do the same with each of our parts. So guys, now we have folded it. Now we will open this and we will open these also, and now we will take this whole side and we will fold it inside. Now we don't need to fold it into half. So as we made these triangles which come over here till this part where its upper end meets, we just need to fold it till there. So even in the down there is the same rectangle, triangle, and where the end meets we just need to fold it till there. Now we'll do the same with this part.
A few moments later.
So guys, now we have to take this corner and we will fold it till here. Now we don't need to fold it till this corner, we just need to take it and fold it so that we have a line in this square. We will just take it and fold it. So I have folded it in such a way that it only has a line in the corner. Now we'll do the same with this. And we will do the same with the down part. So guys, now after doing this, we will once again take our folds and fold it inside. Now to make a box like this, we will first take this, and as we have this triangle, we need to fold it inside. So it will go inside over here, and on the other side it will also go inside over here like this. Now we need to stick this. If you don't want to stick it, you can not stick it, but if you stick it, it will be durable for a long time. So first I will stick it. We will apply some glue. Structure is ready. Now these are the boxes which I have made. So if you don't know how to make these boxes, you can go to the link in the description box below, where I have taught you how to make these boxes. But I will be teaching you once again how to make these boxes in this video, but that would be in fast forward, which will not be able to understand. So we are gonna make these boxes, and we are gonna place it like this, so that our material goes in here and this sticks to this. So I'll keep this on this side, and we'll also keep our this on the side. Now we'll take this and make our box. Our boxes, so we needed 4. Now we need to place and stick them properly, so that when we open our box, these don't collide, and they don't get torn away. So first I will stick these. Boxes, and our stepper box is ready. So when we fold it inside, it looks like a complete box, and when we open it, you have these small boxes in which you can store items. So if you like today's video, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon. Thank you.